Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is August the 15th, 2022. I'm going to give you all the video today about Bitcoin Cash, show you all where I'm suspecting the price for this particular cryptocurrency is going to go. So if you guys want to join me, hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe here to the channel to ensure you guys stay updated on my videos that I conduct to show you all that is very doable. You know, that you all can actually do this for yourself and engage, get in position and actually win in the market. For instance, you guys can see right here in Bitcoin Cash that I did a price prediction on July 18th, looking for the price to go up, and it did. You know, 10.38% was had in 2 days, or if it were to get out the market now, 15%. So the market did go up in Bitcoin Cash, and you also can tell that currently we are seeing that the price has successfully broken outside of this downtrend line, which is fantastic. So we need to adjust this downtrend and account for the market in Bitcoin Cash trending higher, right? Now we are running across some problems, some issues. Like, we got to keep it real, got to keep it a buck. On this particular channel, I just don't pump up these cryptocurrencies just to get views. I want to show you all how we should be moving in the cryptocurrency space. While everyone else continues to pump up these cryptocurrencies, I'm one of the realest ones out here to show you all that, hey, price does look weak and we may actually see the price go down. So if you want the real, definitely keep it locked in here. Next thing I wanted to show you is that the price in Bitcoin Cash is running across restriction around $150, right? Should not be surprised because we ran across that same issue all the way back here on May the 12th. The market in Bitcoin Cash utilized 150 as support then, but sooner or later we broke that $150 level to the downside right there on June the 12th. And since then, the market in Bitcoin Cash has not broken up above that price. So it still tells us that generally this is where the sellers are still positioned. Let's look at this market here in Bitcoin Cash on a weekly time frame. And you guys can see that this is the fourth week that we are starting seeing Bitcoin's cash price trade below 150. We need to see it trade above 150 in order for us to maintain the bullishness. And as we trade throughout this week, you guys can already tell we are trading below our trend line. We don't want to see that. So in the next 6 days and 14 hours, if we end with Bitcoin Cash closing outside and below this ascending line, we know that the market is weak. Okay, we will be expecting the price to continue at best trade range bound. Okay, and range bound trading will be from 150 as restriction all the way back down here to 100. Okay, look at this on the 2 weeks chart. So one thing I can say about Bitcoin Cash on the 2 weeks chart is that the market here had a very small spread with a decent amount of volume. So either there was a lot of buyers coming into the market buying, or there was a lot of selling going on with the sellers. This 2 week price bar, which is being created now, is going to tell us which one was which. Okay, so let me give you all another time frame, the 3-day chart. And one thing that we don't like to see is how the market has been hinting as, or it's been attempting to break above 150. Okay, on these 2 3-day price bars, and each of those those 2 3-day price bars, the market has gone down and closed off of the highs, which is not a good signal. Okay, so yes, we are noticing that the market here in Bitcoin Cash currently is giving us some weakness. So in terms of us seeing the weakness and recognizing for what it is, how low do you think the price is going to go? That's the next question that we need to try to answer. And I can see $130. I mean, the market here in Bitcoin Cash, even here on this 2-day price bar, bounced off of $129, $130. So as we see the market at 135 right now, our attention needs to be on whether or not the buyers are going to show up at 130. Because if so, that would be a great entry point. If not, we're going to look for around like 128. I'll say probably around 120. Okay, so let me go up this on the chart. I'm going to do a very short price prediction, looking for the price in Bitcoin Cash to trend lower. We know it. 150 is restriction. So let me extend this out a little bit further. My first price target is going to be around 128 to like 129. You guys can see it's around 5.53% moving to the downside. And my second price target is only down here to 120, which is around 11.5. So it's not that much, right? It's not that bad for us to see the market in Bitcoin Cash go that low. And if we close here on today's daily price bar below this ascending line, then we know that the market is still weak and we need to continue to expect price to come down. Okay, so that's it. I am done. Go ahead and drop me your quick price prediction, your price target and market in Bitcoin Cash. Just look for it to dip just a little bit. I'm not too keen on looking for the market to crash in Bitcoin Cash, but if it does, we've already expected it to move lower anyway. So any move past 120 will even be better, but I'm just looking for 128, 129. And if it breaks that to the downside, it's gonna be around 120 is my second area. Okay, so give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.